Stickasaurus here, and I look wild. I'm sorry, in the middle of sanding. I forgot I didn't start this. So let's start it. Today we're going to work on the Spirit Ranger from Jungle Fury, right? Yes. American only helmet. This thing's a monster. It's for a customer. I'm doing a video. I usually don't, but I don't know if I really want one of these for my collection. But we'll see. Probably will end up with one, but maybe in the future. We're just going to get going on this. I'm going to do some 80, 220, and then 320, and then get primer on it. So let's get to it. Also, the back's still printing, so I'll probably jinx this, but we'll see. This thing's awful to sand. I think we're about to the point where we can just do some touch-ups and start wet sanding. So that's a plus. It's getting there. It looks pretty cool too. So hopeful. Put some spring green on here. Sadly, all I have is gloss. I think the lines on the side should be okay. If not, we'll touch them up. If they're a little sloppy, we got some white pinstripe we'll put on. And we're going to hand paint the black, and the silver should be like a real quick thing. So let's get the base coat going. Okay, we got all the masking off, and we got looking pretty all right, I think. A couple touch-ups. Looking at the references, these aren't painted in here. It might just be like a line. I think I need to determine. But just up here is painted, so I'm just going to hand paint these three. And then we'll get to the detail lines probably. Put the detail lines on this. I don't think there's any in here, like I said, so we're just going to use tape. I mean, it's not painted black in here, there's just lines, so we're going to use tape, see how it looks. We're going to get clear on this monster, and then we'll get to the visor, elastic, and magnets. So let's get to it. Alright, visor, magnets, elastic, all in. Sorry, this thing wouldn't like sit flush, so I put it on my lap. I'll probably just cut most of that. So let's get to the spin around. There it is. This is so far the only Jungle Fury Spirit Ranger helmet I've done. And you know, if you saw my tier list video, I thought these were stupid. But after working on this one and finally seeing it finished, I've come around on it. I don't hate this one. I don't hate it. I think it's cool. Obviously, this is for a customer, so it's a little bigger than I would have made it for myself. I don't know if I'm going to make one for myself. I'm not totally against this particular helmet. I thought the Zuo elephant was cooler, maybe because my Zuo elephant's just bad, but this one's kind of winning right now. I don't know. It's weird. I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like it hurts me to say I like this, but I like it. I like it. The next Spirit Ranger, if we do one, my wife has requested me to do the bat so many times that I just need to give in and finally do it. So maybe we'll do the bat next. And then at that point, I might as well do the shark because, you know, I did the rest. Which is kind of sad because I don't even have the rest of Jungle Fury done. We still need to do yellow and red, right? Yes. And I'm working on a new Geki chopper, the white one. So by working on it, I mean, I have it printed. I just need to actually get to it. So maybe we'll have like a, you know, a Jungle Fury journey, I guess. I do have a yellow, but I think I printed a little big, and I might send it away to someone. So we'll see. Maybe I'll just reprint that. And the blue could use an upgrade. The blue I did isn't that bad. You know, it's okay. I have a video of it. You can see for yourself. It's not the best. Certainly got a lot better. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope the customer enjoys this. I know I enjoyed working on it. And I think it turned out rather well. There's a couple little things like right here on the tops. This didn't print. I don't know why. So it's not absolutely perfect. And just a couple tiny little things. But other than that, I think it's wonderful. So I sent him pictures and everything, and he seems to like it. So I'm hoping once he gets it, he feels the same way. But we'll find out. Either way, again, thanks for watching. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter at Stickasaurus. Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplays and Props. Down in the description is the link tree for a link to the merch store. We got awesome shirts. M for Mighty did most of the artwork. Davey Doubles did some of the artwork, and they're both killer artists and helped me bring these awesome shirts to life. The Discord, if you want to come hang out, talk about helmets, anything, Sentai, Toku, whatever, make sure you down there, follow the link. And also the Patreon, we got a $1 tier kicking if you're interested in voting on the community build helmets. But we have community build helmets with files, exclusive videos, other stuff. You got exclusive stuff on the Discord, so make sure you do that. And also follow me on Twitch as Stickasaurus Rex. We stream every weekend, so hopefully you can come check that out and have a good time and just see these get made in real time. It's a lot slower, but again, thanks for watching and have a great day.